Hey everybody, I'm going to go over today's non-existent trades today, but at least the chart. So let's look at our daily chart here, and you can see that the bears got a super strong climactic bar yesterday, and the unlikely thing to happen would be this to happen, and it did. So here's all of yesterday and through the night. It was kind of a tight trading range, starting to come into a little bit of a bull trend, but the rules are that if you have a tight bear channel, the first reversal should be minor. And we had some issues today. This was the first trade I was going to take, and today had some great trades. So I was going to take this one, but as you can see, it was right at the open. This was 8 to 8:30. It was a 30-minute chart. And the reason being is you had one pullback, two, pullback, three. So you had this wedge, and see how climactic this is? You had this strong bull breakout followed by this not so strong follow through. Really a ginormous trading range. The bars this morning were huge. Now we have this inside bear bar closing near its low. I almost took this. If this would have not been so close to the open, since I don't have as much experience, I was going to take this trade down to the lows for a retest. So that would have got me about 20 points. And then I was going to I tried to place this trade right here for a retest of the highs. So I would have got 12 points. And the reason why is, even though this is 3 bars, this is a wedge or a parabolic wedge. And then also you kind of have this going on. So 1, pullback 2, pullback 3. And then you have this strong bull bar closing above this close, above the EMA. So this is obviously a range. You got big up, big down, big up. And then this was the great trade of the day, which was this double top, lower high double top, strong bear bar closing on its low, wiping out this bar completely. And the reason why I did not trade is Apex, and I know a couple other brokers had issues today where trades just weren't going through. Apex was giving this super weird error. It looked like a bunch of wingdings. And then people lost accounts today because it would say they didn't place a trade and they ended up placing a trade and they couldn't get out. They didn't have stop loss place or anything. So you could have took this trade. Really, oh crap. What you would do is you would take this open range and then look for a possible measured move, or you could have done, like, you have 3 bear bars in a row right there, and then look what happened. So you could have got a measured move off of this always in short kind of scenario right here. Double top, lower high double top, strong bear bar closing as low. And then this was the trade so they fixed the error, and this was the trade I was looking at. So now we have this tight bear channel, and we have our breakup. We haven't even got above the EMA yet. So I was looking to go short again right here, because on the 5-minute, this is those bars that you saw right here. On the 5-minute, you have this 1 pullback, kind of 2, kind of pullback 3. But you'll notice, where are the follow-through bull bars? There are none. So this is an issue. So on the 5-minute, you could have taken this bar right here. You got a strong bear bar closing on its low for a retest of the low. That's what I was looking at. That's the bar that I went in on. My assumption was this. See how this bar right here has a tail on it? That means people bought above this bar. And when people buy above that bar, they either are looking to get out or they're taking it as an H1. So neither of those bars really interest me. If this bar right here would have closed strong, I was considering going long right here, but it did not. It had this tail on it, so I waited. So now we have this inside bear bar, and if this would have closed about right here, I was looking to go stay in short. I did go short and I got out at a scalp for a retest of this low. So that would have been I mean, if you caught all of it, but you probably would have got about 9 points there. So today was really good. Here was the other context. They both, like, going long here or going short is reasonable. This is a reasonable long right here if it closed a little bit higher, but right now it looks just like a trading range. But this is what I was looking at. This is why I was more based on going short than long. Obviously, we've had some strong bearish momentum, so really you should just be going with the trend. You could have caught both ways here, but I wouldn't be looking to go long just yet. If we had a higher low or a lower low followed by a strong bull bar closing on its high, I would be taking that just to the top of this channel. I wouldn't be looking to retest these maybe on Monday, but there were some great trades today. So you could have got, this is just on the 30-minute, you could have got, and being safe, could have got 20 points there, that inside bear bar. These are all stop entries. You could have got 12 points there if you just went for the high, or the close. Then on this bad boy, I would have stayed for a measured move. You could have got 47. Let's just say you got out above that. If you just trail stopped and got out above each bear bar, you could have got 35 points there. So you're looking at, honestly, you could have got over 60 points today and been conservative. Yeah, this is a 30-minute chart and some much bigger stops. But anyway, hope this is helping somebody. Hope everyone has a great weekend.